So here's a little behind the scenes look at what goes on here. We've got a original 1957 Plymouth color and upholstery album that you would have had in a dealership back in 1957. These are incredibly rare, but we have a whole library of them. And this one's really cool too because it actually visualizes the exterior colors on the car, in addition to just having regular paint swatches. So let's say we've got this 57 Belvedere two-door hardtop, and we want to visualize what the paint would look like on it. So in the back here, you've got a color chart, and you have all these paint chips, and they're divided into different types: roof, body, solid tone, two-tone, etc., depending on the paint style you have. So we go back now to this Belvedere, and so let's lay down the base paint color. Let's go with a jade green. And you can see how that would look like in a single tone. And if you actually go down here, it tells you the available paint options with each trim. But we're just going to play around a little here. So let's say you want to then have, let's go with this, what do we want to pick? Let's be weird. Let's do marine blue with green. And you can then see how the two-tone would look. You'd have that green insert with the blue being the rest of the car. And you can do variations with roof colors as well and things like that. And so this would have been used as a awesome way for the guys in the showroom to help people visualize what their car would look like and what kind of color scheme they wanted to order in their car. Not a lot of manufacturers did this, but there are some. So this isn't totally unique, but it's definitely not super common. So that is a little behind the scenes look at some of the literature we have here and some of the cool stuff we do here. Hope you enjoyed.